Hey, it's Alex D from Tribe. I'm a jewelry designer, a photographer, a writer, a working artist here in southeastern Ontario. In my studio along the river, I make master jewelry models in clay, plastic, and waxes that we ship to a Toronto workshop where they're cast into precious metal and then shipped to clients around the world. We are an export jeweler. We design custom pieces that are pretty amazing. And here's one I want to tell you about. We've designed a sterling silver trophy belt buckle for the 170th anniversary of the Spencerville Fair. They're going to raffle this off at this year's fair to raise money for their children's programs. It's a $2,000 belt buckle made of solid sterling silver. It's taken us a month to create it from their logo, their friendly pumpkin logo, which represents the agricultural vibe in our community. And that we put that right into the buckle. It's a terrific prize, a one-of-a-kind item, and it could be yours at this year's Spencerville Fair.